Every day, thousands of people use the Hyderabad metro, and every day, thousands of people face the exact same problem getting home.
My college mostly starts at 9 in the morning, and by the time all my classes are done, sometimes at 3, sometimes at 5, there's only one thing in my mind, that is getting home as soon as possible.
My journey starts with a short walk to the ladies' hostel bus stop. Most days it's fine, but after 5 pm, things get interesting. There's only one bus route from the stop, and sometimes that bus doesn't show up for a very long time. And when it finally does, it's so full that the driver doesn't even stop the bus at bus stop.
So I do what most people do. I take a sharing auto to Tarnaga metro station that cost me 20 rupees.
As it turns out, the metro is the easiest part of my commute. Then I reach paradise and I wait again. I stand here watching buses for other routes come and go, some nearly empty while I have to wait for mine. There are only two buses that take me towards home.
If I'm lucky enough, I get one real quick. But if I'm not, my other option is just wait. Because booking a ride would cost me more than hundreds every day. And that's not ideal for a college student. Sometimes the ride before and after metro costs more than the metro ride itself. And that's when I started asking questions.
Is this just a Hyderabad problem? Not really. Last mile connectivity is a universal problem. Because public transport isn't just about metros. You still have to go to the station, and after the metro drops you off, you still have to get home. A city doesn't move using one mode of transportation. It moves using all of them together. So I decided to understand how Hyderabad moves. I started collecting data, understanding metro routes, bus schedules, GTFS transit data, station information, schools, businesses, and all the other places that people travel every single day. I wanted to answer a simple question: which metro station are actually connected to the city around them? Along the way, I came across something called transit desert. Transit desert are the places where public transport exists, but not when and where people need it the most. And I realized something else. Connectivity changes with time. A station that works perfectly at 9 in the morning might feel completely isolated at 8 in the evening. And that's what I call temporal frequency analysis. And perhaps the biggest lesson I learned in this is you can't solve transportation by adding more transportation. You solve it by connecting it. Walking, buses, metro, autos, feeder services. A city works best when all of these work together. This became the Hyderabad Metro Last Mile Intelligent Platform, a project that tries to understand where the connectivity breaks down and what small intervention could make it better. Because sometimes making a city smarter isn't about building something new, it's about making existing systems work together. This project hasn't changed Hyderabad. I still stand at Paradise waiting for my bus. I still check if the sharing auto is available, and I still have days where getting home takes longer than it should. But now, every time I make that journey, I notice things that I never noticed before. The patterns, the people, the problems, and the possibilities.
I'm still a student, still learning, and I'm still trying to get home. But if this project has taught me anything, it's that some of the best projects don't start in the classroom, but they start getting back from one.